Hello everyone, it's already time again for the monthly market snapshot for Palm Beach County's single-family homes, townhomes, and condos. Since this is the last report for 2025, the data in this segment will be reporting year-end numbers versus monthly numbers. Single-family homes. The closed sales for year-end had a very slight spike up, going from 13,317 sales in 2024 to 13,969 sales in 2025. A 4.9% gain. The median home price stayed flat at $630,000. The biggest change in numbers we saw this year is the average time it took to contract a home went from 44 days to 52 days, which is an 18.2% increase from last year. The active inventory went down slightly, going from 5,637 to 5,370 active listings on the market. That's a 4.7% decrease in the inventory from last year, which is good. Townhouses and condos. This is a similar story where sales decreased 1.7%, going from 9,944 sales in 2024 to 9,779 sales in 2025. The median sale price decreased just a bit from $320,000 to $310,345, a 3% decrease. However, the average time to contract a property has increased a lot in 2025, going from 52 days to 76 days. That's a 46.2% increase. Active listings decreased slightly from 7,287 to 6,925, which is a 5% decrease in the inventory. Now, let's take a look to see what the rest of the nation did for 2025. National trends. For the full year of 2025, U.S. existing home sales remained at historic lows, finishing around 4.06 million transactions, roughly in line with 2024 and far below long-term averages. The national median existing home sale price for 2025 rose to about $414,400, showing continued price strength despite weak sales. Inventory ended the year near 1.18 million homes for sale, translating to roughly 3.3 months of supply, slightly higher than a year earlier. Mortgage rates eased towards the low 6% range by December, helping stabilize activity, although the pending sales weakened again towards late in the year. That according to the National Association of REALTORS. On the new home side, Census Bureau and HUD data through October 2025 showed new single-family home sales running at an annual pace of about 737,000 units. Roughly 488,000 new homes were for sale, representing close to 7.9 months supply. The median new home price stood near $392,300, slightly off recent highs, but still elevated compared to pre-pandemic norms. According to U.S. Census Bureau and HUD, market dynamics. Homes generally stayed on the market longer in 2025, as the buyers sat on the fence waiting for lower rates that never came. First-time home buyers continued to face affordability challenges, which kept their share of home purchases below historic averages. And it also raised the age of a first-time home buyer to 40 years old. Mortgage rates eased into the low 6% range, which helped in pending sales, including a surge to near 3-year highs in the fall, though contracts slipped again in December. Outlook. Looking into 2026, the housing market is expected to remain in stabilization phase rather than growth. Inventory has improved and price appreciation has cooled to low single-digit levels compared with earlier years. The economists generally expect 2025 existing home sales to land around 4 million, with mortgage rates settling in the mid 6% range and home prices rising only slightly instead of posting double-digit gains. A quick favor, before you go, take just a moment to think of anyone who may be buying or selling or investing in real estate. If so, I'd be grateful for the referral. For every referral, our team donates a portion of the income to the Big Dog Ranch Rescue, the largest cage-free, no-kill dog rescue in America, helping thousands of dogs get a second chance. Referrals are easy. Have them call or text me directly or submit their info on my website, www.referralforgoodcause.com. Even $1 a day can help save dogs from high-kill shelters, and supporters can join their Lifesavers program for updates on the incredible impact. Some dogs even go on to serve as therapy support, or law enforcement companions. As we head into 2026, thank you for your trust and referrals. Together, we're serving our community and making a real difference. If you support what we're doing here, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Palm Beach Home Sold and share a quick story about your pet in the comments. Thanks for listening. Now let's go serve big.